Hello everyone, welcome to third session of Core Java. In previous session we discussed about creating classes, object and data types. In this session we will see the representing classes, hierarchy and relationships. First we see the loops in Java. First, what is a loop? Loop is a programming construct that allows you to repeat a block of code a specified the number of times or until the certain condition is met. It means that loop supports the three types of loops like while loop, for loop and do while loop. First, for loop. For loop is used to when unknown the number of iteration in advance. It consists the three parts: initialization, condition, and updation. There are the syntax of for loop: for, in or then initialization, condition, and updation. There are the example of for loop. First is a int is a data type, I is a variable, so initialize with 0. Then condition is I less than 5 and I plus plus. So print 0 to 4. Print output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is a while loop. While loop is used when you want to repeat a block of code as long as the certain condition is true. It checks the condition before entering the loop. So while, then condition, then the block of code means we execute the condition is true, then the execution. There are the example of while. So int is a data type, count is a variable, so initialize with a 0. Then while, then the cout less than 5, it is a condition. Then system dot out dot println and count means 0 to 4 numbers will be print. Output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is a do while. Do while loop is similar to the while loop, but it checks the condition after the execution of block of code. This guarantees that the code inside the loop run at least once. Means do, then the checking execution of block of code, and after the checking while condition will be checked. There are the example of do while. Int is a data type, num is a variable, assign the value is 5, then do, then system dot out dot println print the numbers, then num minus minus, and the while and condition is a num greater than 0. Then the string handling in Java. String handling in Java is a fundamental concept, and Java provides the robust set of features and method the working with the string. String in a Java are the object of a string class, and they are the widely used for the storing and manipulating text. Here are the some common operation and methods in string handling in Java. String creation. So we create the string using the string data types, and str1 is a variable. Assign the string is a hello world in double quotes. Without double quotes means set string constructor. So string str2 equals to new string, and in double quotes the Java string. Then string concatenations means string concat. So we can concat the string using the plus operator. So can concat the method. Next is a example of concat. So first name is a John and last name is a Dio. So concat we use the first name plus space and plus last name. The concat will be shown. Also concat function or method we use. So string getting hello, dot concat in bracket full name. So concat method is a concat we use. Then the string length. You can get a length of string using the length method. So string text is a Java. So int length equals to text dot length. So return will be 4, means output is a 4. Then the string comparison. So comparison is a equality. So use the equal method for the case sensitive, insensitive comparison. You can use the equal ignore case. So first string is a hello, means capital H E double L O, and second string is a hello, small h e double L O. So is equal we use, so it is a false, and we use the case sensitive, insensitive equal, so means equal ignore case. So true. The substring extraction. You can extract the substring from the string using the substring method. Then next is a string text is a Java programming. So return the program. Substring is means we pass the 5, 12. So 5 5th place is a P and then the 12th place is a M. So program will be written. Next is a string searching. You can search the string within a string using a method like index of and contents. The string text is a Java is a programming language. Boolean contain Java, so equals to text contain Java is a true, means we assign the string the word is in a Java, so output is a true. Next is a int index of is, uh, text dot index of is a return index of first occurrence of the is. String modifications. Strings in a Java are immutable, which cannot change them directly. However, you can create a new string with a modification. Original string is a hello world. So replace with a hello to the hi. So output is a hi world. Next is a string splitting. You can split the string into the array, the substring using the split method. So sentence dot split means split by the space. Then the classes and hierarchy and relationship. Classes hierarchy. A classes hierarchy represent the relationship between the classes in the term of inheritance. Inheritance is a key OOPS concept, means object oriented programming concept, where the new class means subclass or a derived class can inherit the properties and behavior from the existing class, means superclass or the base class. The superclass is a higher in the hierarchy, and the subclass are the lower in Java and many OOPS language. The extend keyword is a established inheritance. So example are the class is a superclass or a base class. They have the methods like eat, means animal is a eating. Next is a dog. Dog is a subclass. The extend keyword to use the establish of inheritance to the animal. So bark is a method of the dog. So dog is barking. Next is a relationship between the classes. Oops classes can have the various type of relationships with other classes. The most common relationships are the is a relationship. Means we discuss dog is the type of animal. Means inheritance represent the is a relationship where the subclass is the type of the superclass. So class engine is a superclass and they have the start method. Engine is started. Next class is a car. The private engine or engine. The car is a constructor. We create the car constructor. Then the start is a method. So overridden and the car is started. Next is a association. Use a relationship. Association represent use a relationship where one class use another class. The relationship can be loose or strong and can involve the multiple instance. So class teacher teach have the method of the teacher, and students learn student they have the method like a learn. So student is a learning, and the classroom is the main. So student teachers and students are the classes, and small teachers and small students means they are the opposite. So classroom is a constructor, means parameterized constructor. We passes this is a current invoking object. Dot is a membership operator. So conduct the classes, teach and learn. Call the function of the teach and learn. So output is a teacher is a teaching and student. First, open a Eclipse on your desktop, then launch. Then click on File, click on New, select the Java project for loop, then Finish. In for loop project, we create a class loop for, and also create the package name .com, and add the public static void method. For loop syntax are the first initialization. We create the int I is a variable. So for initialization I equals to 0, I less than equals to 10, and I plus plus. Then print system dot out dot print n, and numbers equals to plus I. So save the file and run. So output is the 1 to 10 print. 0, 1, 2, 3. So initialization state is I equals to 0. So starting from 0, then ending with the 10. Next we see the while loop. Creating class loop while. In while loop, first the initialization, we create the variable I equals to 1. Next is a while and condition is a I less than equals to 5. After condition, println statement add. So system dot out dot println. So numbers equals to, in double quotes, numbers equals to, then I is incremented. So save the file and run. Output is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is a do while. So changes in this program. First, initialization int I equals to 1. Then do. In do, we add the println statement, the system dot out dot println. In println numbers passes. After then increment, then while, and condition is I less than equals to 25. Then save the file and run. So output is the 1 to 25. Starting from 1, end with 25. Next we see the string. First create the project. So click on new and click on Java project. Project name is the string handling, and then finish. In string handling we create the string. First we create the class. Class name is example of string, example string, and package name also add .com, and add the main method also, and finish. First create the string. So string str1 equals to hello world. Also we using the constructor. Also we use the constructor. First we use the double quotes, and next string we create the string str2 using the string constructor equals to new string, and we pass the string Java string. So system dot out dot println string is first str1, or second string system dot out dot println string is str2. Save and run. First string is a hello world and second string is a Java string. Equals to sign behind. Hello world, and second string is Java string. So both are concatenation. So we use the concat method. So first string is the hello world, and second string is a Java string. So both are concat. So use the create the string full equals to str1 plus double quote space, then plus str2. So we add the concat after. So print the system dot out dot print ln concat string is plus full. Done. So concat string is hello world, then space and Java string. So next is we calculate length also. For length, we use the dot length function. So int length equals to str1 dot length, and print the length system dot out dot print ln gt's length is length. Save and run. So length is 11. So after length we add both are equals or not, we check also. So use the is equal function, and also we add the substring also. First we check the substring, Java substring, string substring, string substring equals to str1 dot str1 dot sub substring substring with add the 5, 12 and save and print the substring system dot out dot println plus substring is a var. So space also calculate, and thank you.